Welcome to Kasvu Tiny House. Kasvu project is the experimental building project from the wood program, one-year program at Aalto-University in Finland, focusing wood architecture and industrial construction. The Kasvu house, the idea was to explore what are the minimum living needs. It's 9.4 square meters. So we have the central module. It's called the heart space, where we have the dining space. This transforms also in the sitting area, comfortable, but has storage inside. So there's plenty of storage space in the bottom of the heart space. The table, you can put it back and then have a flat surface, so you can walk on top. And then we have the electrical part and the cooking and the kitchen area, so the energy for the food. And we have this shelf system that helps to save space. Then we have the H2O module, all the wet areas of the house. The panels are made of plywood, different from the sun timber in the other panels. Water, it can resist as long as it can dry. But then, of course, it can be just treated, these areas that are in more close contact with the water. The cabinets and the potential area for the shower, toilet, everything in the minimum dimensions. But can have the hanging wall system for the toilet, and the shower comes installed here. Then this will have in the end a coating in the surface, and it has a slope so it doesn't collect the water. Here we can see the module for resting, sleep, and relaxing. We have also the windows, so the main entrance of light. And we can see these straps that are used for the installation to pull and carry the elements. First, we prefabricate all the panels in the workshop of the university. They are lightweight elements, so they can be carried by 2 to 4 persons, and there's no need of crane for the assembly. The elements can be flat pack. It can be transported as panels. The heart space is constructed between 4 corner columns. We have the structure clearly separate from the non-structural elements, and the wall panels are hanging from the structure. It's like a 3-part wall. So we have an interior panel, exterior panel, and cladding. We are using very simple wood-based materials. We use mainly sun timber, also spruce plywood, wood-based wind fiber board, insulation, natural insulation, wood-based paper vapor barrier, and the demountable panels for the cladding are made of heat-treated wood. I like the small footprint that the house has, since it's just touching in 4 points. This makes like a low impact in the terrain.